All right, seventh grade. This is your bell work for week 11, identifying main subjects. Right. We are going to be identifying the main subject in a phrase. These are not complete sentences. So we're going to be placing an S above the main subject of each of the following phrases. In the example, the quick brown fox. We have lots of words there, but what is it talking about? It's not talking about it's not talking about quick, it's not talking about brown, it's talking about fox. So we're going to put an S above fox. So look at number 1, a big blue ball. What is my subject? My subject is ball. So I'm going to put an S above ball. Number 2, the black and white plate. I'm going to put an S above plate. Number 3, the little girl. My subject is girl. It's the who or what it's talking about. So that's it on the bell work, guys. It's short, it's sweet, it's easy. Get it done. Make sure when you are finished to submit to me through Canvas. Good luck and have fun. Make sure you get the entire assignment done. If you have questions, please come into my office hours. Bye.